Struggling with setting up Xero? Learn how to import your chart of accounts efficiently, ensuring accurate financial tracking and reporting from the start. We need a tool to simplify this task. At the top right corner, click on the waffle icon, often called the waffle iron menu, and select Find More Apps. This takes you to the Xero App Store, where you can find many useful add-ons for your Xero account. In the search bar, type SaasAnt Transactions. Click on the SaasAnt Transactions app to open its details. Here, you'll find a Get This App button. Click on it to integrate SaasAnt Transactions with your Xero account. Once connected, SaasAnt Transactions will provide a CSV template for importing your bills. Download this template. It's a spreadsheet designed to organize your bill data correctly. Next, fill in your bill details in the template. Remember, do not alter or delete the column headings in the file to avoid any errors during the import process. Upload the file and mapping. Back in SaasAnt Transactions, look for the option to select and upload the CSV file you've just saved. Choose Account as both the sheet type and entity type. Since we've used the SaasAnt template, columns like account name, account type, and account code are automatically aligned with the appropriate fields in Xero. This means everything is set for a smooth import. However, if you need to adjust the column matching manually, you can easily modify it in this step to ensure the data fits your specific needs. After mapping the columns, validate the setup to ensure everything is correct. Review all details thoroughly. If everything looks good, proceed with the upload. SaasAnt Transactions will then present a summary of the import and highlight any transactions or entries that might need a second look. Review this information carefully to finalize the process. Here, SaasAnt Transactions identifies 2 errors. While syncing 19 transactions, 2 transactions caused trouble. Let's fix it fast. It's because of the unique code is missing. Luckily, SaasAnt Transactions doesn't leave us guessing. It points out exactly where the issue is. Let's quickly recorrect the total. There we go. Just enter the amount here. Now, all 19 transactions synced smoothly. To ensure everything is in order, check one of the response IDs in Xero, which will confirm the successful import of your contact. Now, you can successfully import your accounts into Xero using SaasAnt Transactions. Got a quick tip for you today on SaasAnt Transactions that could save you a lot of headaches. Right here in SaasAnt, there's an Undo button. With just one click, you can reverse any transaction you've entered incorrectly. Note: a chart of accounts linked to a bank account cannot be deleted to maintain accurate financial reporting and data integrity, as it contains essential transaction records. And there's more. After undoing, you can download the Undo report to make sure everything you want to delete is gone. It's a perfect way to double-check and keep your records spotless. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.